Have you ever wondered why some things are just so incredible they leave you speechless? Well, get ready, because we've got a list of unbelievable phenomena that will leave you in awe. From mind-boggling optical illusions to bizarre natural occurrences, these jaw-dropping spectacles are sure to make you question reality itself. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the unbelievable. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to get updated with our latest videos. Let's dive into the first phenomenon that will leave you speechless. Number 10. The green flash. Have you ever heard of the elusive green flash? This rare optical phenomena occurs when the sun dips below the horizon and a brief flash of green light appears. It happens due to a combination of atmospheric conditions and the observer's perspective, creating a stunning visual spectacle that can only be seen for a split second. Imagine witnessing this breathtaking sight after a long and tiring day. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and red as it slowly disappears below the horizon. Just as you think the show is over, a sudden flash of green illuminates the sky, leaving you in awe of the natural world's wonders. But the green flash is not just a pretty sight to behold. It has been a source of fascination and curiosity for scientists who are still trying to fully understand its occurrence. According to experts, the green flash is caused by the separation of sunlight into its different wavelengths, or colors, as it passes through the Earth's atmosphere. When the sun is low on the horizon, its light has to travel through more atmosphere than usual, resulting in more air molecules and particles scattering the shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue and violet, leaving the longer wavelengths like red and orange to dominate the sky. However, sometimes the light undergoes an abnormal amount of dispersion, separating the green wavelength from the rest, which creates the spectacular green flash. While the exact mechanism behind the green flash is still being studied, one thing is certain: it is a sight that will leave any witness speechless. Number 9. Red rain. Have you ever witnessed the strange and eerie sight of red rain falling from the sky? This unusual natural phenomenon has been reported in various parts of the world, leaving people wondering about its cause and significance. Red rain occurs when a large number of red spores or cells are released into the atmosphere, often due to a buildup of moisture and humidity. These particles then mix with water droplets and are carried by wind currents, eventually falling to the ground as rain. One possible cause of red rain is the blooming of a type of algae known as rust, or red algae. These algae can reproduce rapidly under favorable conditions, releasing a red pigment called hematoxanthin into the environment. When this pigment is carried by wind and falls to the ground, it can create a reddish hue in the rain. Another potential cause of red rain is the presence of red soil. This type of soil is rich in iron oxide, which gives it a distinctive red color. When heavy rainfall occurs in areas with laterite soil, the water can become discolored and appear red. Moreover, industrial activities and pollution can also contribute to red rain. Certain manufacturing processes and agricultural practices release red dyes and pigments into the environment, which can eventually end up in rainwater. In some rare cases, red rain can be a sign of a more serious environmental issue, such as the presence of toxic chemicals or heavy metals. It's important to note that while red rain may be a fascinating natural phenomenon, it's crucial to take necessary precautions and seek professional help if you suspect any contamination. Overall, red rain is a captivating spectacle that reminds us of the intricate workings of our planet and the importance of understanding and preserving its delicate balance. No. 8. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence, the emission of light by living organisms, is a captivating natural phenomenon that can leave anyone in awe. From fireflies blinking in the night sky to jellyfish glowing in the depths of the ocean, bioluminescence adds a magical touch to our world. The source of this enchanting light show lies within the cells of living organisms, where a chemical reaction takes place between a molecule called luciferin and an enzyme known as As these molecules interact in the presence of oxygen, energy is released, resulting in the production of light. Bioluminescence serves various purposes in the natural world, from attracting mates to defending against predators. Fireflies, for instance, use their glowing lights to communicate and attract partners. Meanwhile, certain species of jellyfish and plankton employ bioluminescence as a defense mechanism, startling or confusing potential predators. Exploring bioluminescent wonders is a mesmerizing experience. Imagine kayaking through a night-lit ocean where every stroke of your paddle stirs up a glowing trail, or picture yourself hiking through a forest at twilight, witnessing fireflies illuminating the path ahead. The ethereal beauty of bioluminescence transforms ordinary landscapes into extraordinary spectacles. If you ever have the opportunity to witness this natural phenomenon, consider yourself fortunate, for it is truly a sight that will leave you speechless. Number 7. Aurora. Imagine standing outside on a clear night, gazing up at the sky when suddenly you see a beautiful and mysterious glow. It may come in different colors, like green, red, blue, or purple. What you are witnessing is the amazing natural phenomenon known as the aurora. Auroras occur when charged particles from the sun, known as solar wind, interact with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. These particles collide with gas molecules high in the atmosphere, exciting them and causing them to emit light. The result is a stunning display of colors dancing across the night sky. The most common type of aurora is the northern lights, or aurora borealis, which appear in the northern hemisphere. Similarly, the southern lights, or aurora australis, can be seen in the southern hemisphere. While auroras are most commonly green, other colors can also appear. For example, red auroras occur when the solar wind is particularly strong, exciting high-altitude oxygen molecules that emit red light. Blue and purple auroras, though less common, can also captivate those who witness them. Experiencing an aurora is a humbling and unforgettable experience. The vastness of space and the power of the sun are truly awe. Standing beneath the dancing lights, you feel connected to the universe in a way that is both exhilarating and peaceful. It's a reminder of the beauty and mystery that still exist in our world. Number 6. Ball lightning. Ball lightning, a rare and elusive natural phenomenon, has fascinated scientists and eyewitnesses alike, unlike its more common cousin, forked lightning. Ball lightning is a sphere of light that can float along the ground, or even through solid objects. The exact cause of ball lightning is still unknown, but it is believed to occur when a powerful electric discharge from a lightning bolt interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. This interaction creates a self-contained ball of plasma, which is a superheated state of matter, and it is this plasma that emits light and heat. Ball lightning is said to be capable of traveling along the ground, through windows and even inside of houses. While it is not considered dangerous, it can be quite destructive, leaving behind scorched walls and shattered windows. Although ball lightning is relatively rare, there have been thousands of reported sightings throughout history. Some people even claim to have captured images or video footage of this strange phenomenon. Despite the many reports, scientists have yet to reach a consensus on the existence or cause of ball lightning. It remains an enigma that continues to baffle and amaze those who study it. Number 5. A must-see. If you find yourself in New Zealand, don't miss the chance to witness the breathtaking spectacle of the Watamu glowworm caves. Located on the North Island, these caves are home to thousands of glowworms that create a magical, bioluminescent wonderland. The best way to experience this wonder is by taking a boat ride through the caves. As you navigate the inky blackness, the glow of the worms will light up around you, creating an ethereal atmosphere that feels straight out of a fairy tale. It's a sight that will leave you in awe and create memories that will last a lifetime. But hurry up, because these mesmerizing caves are disappearing at an alarming rate due to rising sea levels and increasing storms. So, if you want to witness this natural marvel for yourself, now is the time to go. Number 4. Brocken Spectre. Have you ever heard of the Brocken Spectre? This rare and eerie phenomena occurs when a person's shadow is projected onto mist or fog, creating a ghostly apparition. It gets its name from the German folklore of the Brocken, a mountain in the Harz Mountains range, where witches were said to gather for their infamous Sabbaths. According to legend, the Brocken Spectre was the shadow of a witch projected onto the mist by a nearby mountain peak. Whether you believe in the legend or not, the Brocken Spectre is a fascinating meteorological phenomenon. It requires a combination of factors, including a bright light source, such as the sun, a high-altitude location, and an inversion layer of fog or mist. When these conditions align, the result can be truly mesmerizing. Imagine hiking through a dense fog bank, when suddenly you see a ghostly figure looming over you. The apparition seems to be made of mist itself, and its form is eerily familiar. It's your own shadow, distorted and magnified by the atmospheric conditions. The Brocken Spectre is a rare and elusive phenomenon, but it's definitely one that should be on every nature lover's bucket list. Number 3. Sundogs. Have you ever seen a sundog? Also known as parhelia? Sundogs are a fascinating optical phenomenon that can occur when the sun is surrounded by a ring of light. They happen when ice crystals in the Earth's atmosphere refract the sun's rays, creating a 22-degree angle halo around the main image. Sundogs can be seen all over the world and are a common sight during the winter months. They can also occur at other times of the year when the weather conditions are just right. Seeing a sundog is a breathtaking experience that can leave you in awe of the natural world. Imagine walking outside on a winter day when suddenly you notice a bright ring of light surrounding the sun. The scene is both beautiful and eerie, like something out of a fantasy novel. Sundogs are a reminder of the magic that can be found in everyday life, if you just take the time to look for it. Number 2. The Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are a mesmerizing natural phenomenon. Occurs in the upper atmosphere of the Earth. When charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere, they excite the gas molecules, which then emit light. This results in a stunning display of vibrant colors, including green, red, blue, and purple, dancing across the night sky. The best places to witness this spectacular show include Fairbanks, Alaska, and the northern Norwegian town of Trondheim. The Northern Lights are a truly breathtaking sight that can leave anyone in awe. Imagine standing outside on a clear winter night when suddenly the sky erupts in a symphony of colors. The Northern Lights seem to dance and shimmer, creating a magical atmosphere that is both serene and exhilarating. It's an experience that will stay with you forever. No. 1. The Milky Way. The Milky Way is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, and other celestial bodies that form a band-like structure in the night sky. It is home to our solar system and is one of the largest galaxies in the observable universe. The Milky Way stretches over 100,000 light-years across and contains hundreds of billions of stars. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight that can leave anyone in awe. Imagine lying on a blanket in a dark sky area when suddenly you look up to see a river of stars flowing across the night sky. The Milky Way appears as a luminous band, shimmering with countless points of light. It is a humbling experience that reminds us of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. To fully appreciate this celestial wonder, it's important to find a location away from city lights with minimal light pollution. Some of the best places to stargaze include national parks and other designated dark sky reserves. With a little planning and patience, you can experience the magic of the Milky Way for yourself and create unforgettable memories. Which of these natural phenomena did you find the most amazing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible videos like this one. Thanks for watching.